You're thinking about making some improvements to your home in 2024. Would it be helpful to hear some current design trends to give you some inspiration? I've curated some design trends to give you some inspiration from my clients. Backsplashes, so either use a bold color or you can do a solid surface to match the counter up the wall. LVT flooring, so if you love the look of hardwood floors but you want to do it in a space that's not conducive to that, such as the basement, consider LVT. Take a look at what we did in this project. Color, warm neutrals, creamy whites, out with the stark whites and grays. Here the creamy wall pairs nicely with the pop of color green. Arches and blues. This stylish dining room has arches that are in vogue, and check out this nautical blue, and I love this stylish fixture. Rich browns and appliance garage. Check out this clip that we had from Melissa's kitchen design this summer. My friend Melissa invited us over to see her brand new kitchen renovation. It's simply gorgeous. So what is one of your favorite elements in your design?
So I hate having things all over my countertop, so I love that we had the microwave installed in the cabinets. It's this nice clean line, it's pretty, and it's also great for heating up my coffee.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Modernizing herringbone. Here we have a bold tile on the backsplash. Refinish those floors. Rip up the carpet and expose the pretty boards beneath. You'll be surprised at what you can find with a little bit of sanding and new finish. It'll be amazing. When you are considering a new design, contact me. I'd love to help, and I've got trusted providers to help with all the projects. Let's go!